Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove duplicate songs from your Spotify playlist step by step. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open your Spotify app and navigate to the playlist where the duplicate songs are present. Take a moment to review the playlist so you can identify which songs are duplicated. Step 2. Now, tap on your library at the bottom of the screen. Once in your library, find the playlist that has the duplicates and open it. Step 3. Next, locate the duplicate song within the playlist. Once you find it, click on the 3 dots next to the song title. This will open a menu with several options. Step 4. From the menu, select Remove from this playlist. This will delete the duplicate song from your playlist. Repeat the process for any other duplicate tracks. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.